Hello guys. So, today I'm going to show you step by step how to make rice water for extreme hair growth, and what is the rice water benefits, and how often should I use rice water on my hair. All these questions we will answer in this video. But before, if you do not subscribe yet, please do subscribe, and do not miss any of my videos, and also please like and share the video. Does rice water grow your hair? Women in China, Japan, and Southeast Asia have used rice water as a hair treatment for centuries. But does rice water have any scientifically proven beauty benefits? Rice water is the starchy water left over after rice is cooked or left to soak. It is thought to make the hair smooth and shiny, as well as help it grow faster. Regular use of rice water has many benefits for hair. It helps to remove dandruff, strengthen the strands, stimulate their growth, give vitality, and significantly improve their appearance. The composition of rice water is rich in vitamins, especially B and C. It also contains trace elements, potassium, iodine, magnesium, zinc, selenium, manganese, and a lot of fiber. This is a real treasure trove of nutrients that nourish the follicles and repair damaged cells. Due to the fact that rice water has antioxidant properties, it helps to get rid of toxins that could accumulate in the scalp, thereby preventing premature alopecia and gray hair. Rice water recipes. How to make rice water for hair at home. There are 3 most popular and effective ways. You can try all of them and choose the one you like the most. You'll need only 2 ingredients. Soaked rice water for hair. Take 1 cup of uncooked rice. Rinse it thoroughly. Add 2 to 3 glasses of water. Leave for 30 minutes. Strain the rice water into a clean bowl. This method will appeal to those who are very busy and don't have much time. Boiled rice water for hair. Take 1/2 cup of rice. Add 1 glass of water. Cook the rice in boiling water. Strain the rice water into a clean bowl before use. This is a concentrated liquid that you can dilute before rinsing the hair. The concentration of dilution depends on the hair length and greasiness. Usually, it's 1:10. The oilier the hair is, the lower the concentration should be. Fermented rice water for hair. Take 2 cups of rice. Add 2 times more water to it. Leave the rice to soak for 20 to 30 minutes. Pour the water into a glass bottle. Seal it and leave in a dark place at room temperature for 2 days. When a sour smell appears, stop fermentation and put it in a fridge to preserve all the beneficial properties obtained during fermentation. Fermentation reduces the pH level of rice water to the pH level of the hair and nourishes it better due to the effective penetration of vitamins into the scalp and hair structure. You can also use diluted rice water as a conditioner. Apply it to wet, clean hair. Massage the scalp slightly and rinse after 5 to 10 minutes. For additional nourishment, you can add a few drops of essential oil, such as rosemary, lavender, or geranium. To make a shampoo, mix rice water and flour together and let it brew for 5 to 10 minutes. Use it as a standalone product or in a 1-to-1 ratio with your regular shampoo. How often should I use rice water on my hair? It depends on your hair type. You should use rice water at least once a week, as washing your hair with rice water can cause a protein overload. A protein overload can actually leave your hair becoming brittle and drier. If you are using rice water to rinse your hair after shampooing and conditioning, maybe use it once a week to begin with. The smell isn't amazing, so maybe add some essential oils like orange peels dried, or tea tree, or peppermint oil, or cloves oil, into the mix to give a pleasing smell. Bear in mind again that everyone's hair is a different hair type. Side effects of rice water on hair. As for the external use of rice water, there are no contraindications. However, this decoction can have a drying effect. Therefore, women with dry scalp should not overuse it. Anyway, it's recommended to use rice water for hair no more than twice a week. Also, remember that you can store rice water in the refrigerator for a week. Shake it well before use. Finally, rinsing hair in rice water is a traditional beauty treatment popular in many regions in Asia. Having gained attention online, This alternative beauty remedy is now popular across the world. Many people find rice water to be a beneficial hair treatment. Historical examples and anecdotal evidence suggest rice water may improve the strength, texture, and growth of hair. I hope you liked this video and that you discovered how to make the true recipe for rice water. So thank you again, and leave me a comment, like and share this video, and I see you in my next video.